They're going to lie down now. Tell Paul Stanley to get set.
That's it.
I don't think you're on the side load of tires. You just give the tin sheet an extra bit of force.
Get those beers up.
Now the tyres are up.
So what are you knitting then?
Bears.
Oh, right, good for you.
Doing good for the North Gate near Colombo.
Oh, right.
Surely he's just going to chuck it down.
That way or that way?
Make your mind up.
Two kids. They got rid of that. Two people working safe houses.
Yeah, I was just going to say safest houses.
Generals in the back.
Top one.
Put a plan in place.
Oh no, food's not going too close to the edge.
Changed their mind. Cars are not up to the job. A few more coming on.
Well, they were still passing us down.
Anyone down there?
Point out the time there.
The army moving down.
The chap got that one. He's trying to redeem himself. He's just doing a one man.
It's posing for photographs.
Brilliant.
Loads of praise. All the fun.
I've got to wait till we see you. It's the junior that you get up on the wall. I don't have to use extra junior, that's my easement centre.
Another tyre.